Back and welcome back to the next people channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you guys this trading bot that is working like magic. And the help of this trading bot is if you're trading with emotion and you keep losing money repeatedly on the forex market, this particular trading bot will help you to reduce your loss. Okay, so this is how this trading bot works. The name is Sniper, and this bot does not just trade, it executes trade when it finds out that you are going to be on a massive profit, guys. Okay, the good thing about this particular trading bot is it just not trade on XAUSD alone. It can trade on volatility, it can trade on Euro USD, and it can trade on all pairs. Okay, you can see here it opens here, right here, and this is your take profit, and this is your stop loss. Okay, and imagine a trade that does not always hit a stop loss. This particular trading bot has always been making a lot of massive profit over and over, and I'll show you guys how to get this trading bot and how to install it, guys. So you can see the history of this particular trading bot is massive, guys. It's very perfectly, and I'll show you guys how to get this particular trading bot to your MT5. So guys, like I told you that this particular bot is not free because it works like magic. Okay, and the good thing about it is they are on promo. You can see just here, just $20. Before it was $50. Okay, and how to get it is just to click on this buy here, depending on your country. Add your full name here. Okay, you can add any name and make sure you add a correct email because the bot will be sent to your email. Okay, so once you are done doing that, you can click on pay. So once the bot is ready to send, so I've already bought the bot, so no need of paying. So guys, I'll be leaving this link on the video description on how to get this trading bot. So guys, once you download the bot, it's going to be this way. You're going to be having two bots. Okay, you're going to be having other bots, and this is the main one, Sniper. So all you have to do is just to double click, and once you double click on that, you wait for it to load on your MT5. Okay, it's already right here on my MT5, right here. Okay, once you double click on it, it will automatically open on your MT5. Okay, so now how do you install? You install by, okay, let me open a new pairs, USD JPY. Open that right here. Okay, so how do you go about this? All you have to do is to drag the bot and add it on your trading chart. Okay, so now you're going to look at the lot size. If that is okay for you, you can just leave it on a default and click OK. So you can see the right here that the bot is now working on USD JPY. Okay, right here. So all you have to do is just leave the bot. The bot will analyze the trade. You can see the trade I took yesterday is all from this bot. Okay, the bot is going to be analyzing the trade and it will enter the market for you. And once you see that the market is going away, it will be increasing, and they're adjusting the take profit, and they'll be adjusting the stop loss, so that even if the market reverses back, it won't hit your SL. Okay, the bot works like magic, and I'll advise you guys to get the bot and stop losing money on the forex market. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a lovely day.